The judge put a temporary halt to new laws that crack down on access to transgender and what kids they have and certain gender-affirming care.
And even though it's a decision that has transgender rights advocates celebrating, it also comes with some confusion. ABC Action News in-depth reporter Rochelle Aline breaks down the case and what's expected next.
A federal judge has handed a temporary win to several Florida families suing the State Board of Medicine and other state and medical leaders for new bans on gender-affirming care for transgender kids. The lawsuit, filed back in March, says state bans prohibiting trans minors from accessing things like puberty blockers, hormone therapies, and surgical procedures are a violation of their constitutional rights and shouldn't be legal. And Tuesday, a handful of those parents asked that a judge put a temporary halt on those bans so that their kids could start needed puberty blockers.
Simone, Chris.
It's a ruling that the attorney representing those parents says she hopes to see made permanent.
I can safely say that what is at stake here are our lives, are the health and well-being of transgender individuals of all ages.
But there are also questions about how this injunction should be legally interpreted. As Chris says, the ruling technically applies most directly to her clients, but can also be applied more broadly to other trans youth in our state.
To the extent that it is enforced against anyone else that isn't a plaintiff in this case, we would want them to let us know immediately, because the state should not be enforcing an unconstitutional rule or law.
It's a case that some of the defendants have pushed to dismiss, and a cause that proponents of the ban, like State Representative Randy Fine, have publicly dismissed.
You're allowed to be stupid in this country. So there's no desire to stop this for adults. Children, it's a whole different story. You can't get a tattoo. You shouldn't be able to cut your breasts off.
And in the meantime, as some families wait to see how this case eventually shakes out, others tell us they're leaving the state altogether.
I'm mad that I have to do this, and I'm sad that I'm what I have to lose to get to safety.
In Tampa, Rochelle Aline, ABC Action News.